Welcome back to that 4J Farm Life, and we're going to talk a little bit about how we feed the cattle. Please always like and subscribe if you'd like to, and thank you for watching.
So we're going to kind of demonstrate how I put out hay here at the farm.
Well, here's a wild video of the cattle on one of my game cameras this week. Well, here you go. Time to put out hay on the farm.
You know, I try to pick out spots that we're trying to clean up, and then I put hay there. On our farm, we got a couple of rock outcroppings, you know, bare areas, and so it kind of, over the years, it's allowed us to kind of repurpose some of the property.
Now, a lot of people will use a hay ring. I personally do not. There's always pros and cons to everything. But we usually try to set the hay off of the pasture and put it in areas where the cattle and the horses can still get to it. You know, I want to thank you for watching. And we've just been making these short videos, but hey, please share your comments and let us know how you take care of your cattle.